Hi everyone, welcome to Maths Video Class 6th. We are on chapter 24 doing little revision. Okay, revisions are almost already sent and in few days our exams are nearby. So I hope you are studying and please study. Okay, and you should all get good marks. And if you have any doubt, please submit your doubts. So I was saying yesterday in yesterday's video that you have to use sum of adjacent angles property, which is 180 degree. Okay, so somewhere you have to also use vertically opposite angles property. This plus this is 180 degree, so A is 180 minus 68, and that way you have to use this is equal to this and this is equal to this. Okay, because of vertically opposite angles. Angle AOD is equal to angle BOC, and angle AOC is equal to angle BOD because of vertically opposite angles. So these many things you have to use. Okay, then complementary angles we were talking. Okay, so half of 60 degree, first find out what is half of 60 degree. Half multiplied by 60, whatever answer will come, subtract it from 90 degree. Okay, this we have done before. Half of 60 is 30, so 90 minus 30 will give you complement of half of 60. Okay, say rest also same way. Here also 50% of 120 degree is 60 degree, right? 50% of 120 degree is 60 degree. So supplement of 60 is 60 degrees, 180 minus 60. Similarly, rest. You can see here 3 by 4 of 160. So 3 by 4 multiplied by 160 and cancellation. So in this, you will require cancellation. Okay, and after getting the answer, subtract it from 180 degree. That will be your final answer. Then two complementary angles and the ratio 7:8. Find its angle. Same example I'll take from here. Two supplementary angles are here. Instead of complementary, supplementary is there. So if complementary is there, take 90 degree. If supplementary is there, take 180 degree. So the ratios are 5:4. Find the angles. You can see here the ratio of the supplementary angles is 5:4. 5 plus 4 equals to 9. We are doing it with ratio and proportion method. So total 5 plus 4 equals to 9, and the angles are 5 by, out of 9, 5 by 9 multiplied by 180 degree. If it is complementary, take here 90 degree. So 5 upon 9 multiplied by 180 degree, 100, and 4 by 9 multiplied by 180 degree, 80 degree. So 100 plus 80 degree is 180 degree. Sum should be 180 degree because supplementary. Okay. So if supplementary 180, if complementary 90, and method will be same. Just add this, find total. 5 plus 4, 9, 5 out of 9 and 4 out of 9. Okay, alternative method also is given. You can go through it. So rest of the questions are also that type. The measures of two complementary angles are 2x and this find x. So this, since it is complementary, this angle plus this angle equals to 180 degree. So aggregate x terms constant, transposing left hand side to RHS. You can solve it. Okay. Now we are on properties of angles and lines. So properties of angles and lines are, when two lines intersect, the sum of each pair of adjacent angles is always 180 degree, which we have studied, and the vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, this we have already studied. Using these two main properties, we have to solve the examples. So two straight lines AB and AC intersect each other at point O, and angle AOC is 50 degree. Find BOD. You can see here AOC is 50. First question is find BOD. Angle BOD. Okay, angle BOD. So angle AOC is equal to angle BOD because of vertically opposite angles. So this 50 degree is equal to this 50 degree. Okay. The next is find angle AOD. AOD. So angle AOD, COD is a straight line. So 50 plus angle AOD equals to 180 degree. So 180 minus 50 will give you angle AOD. So what you have to do is 180 minus 50 gives you angle AOD. BOC, next angle BOC. Angle BOC will be, now this is whatever answer this will come. Angle AOD equals to angle BOC. So this is equal to this vertically opposite angles. Okay. So same way, these way you have to utilize, go through your classwork, you have to utilize all these properties and find out the answers. Okay, so here also find the value of x, this plus this equals to 180 degree, segregation of x terms and segregation of constant. You have to use properties and find out. Then here also many of you have asked doubts, so I am explaining this. Find out whether AOC is a straight line in all or not. For that what you should do is you have to add this. Why? When AOC will be a straight line? When it will be 180 degree. Okay. So so this angle plus this angle equals to 180 degree. Solve for LHS. It should be equal to 90. It should be equals to 180 degree. See, 90 minus x plus 90 plus x. X got cancelled. 90 plus 90, 180. So when the sum of these two angles come 180 degree, we say this AOC is a straight line. Here also, if add these two angles, if sum comes 180 means AOC is a straight line. After adding 2, AOC is a straight line. Okay. So then exercise 25p. You have to use here all types of angles: exterior, interior angle, exterior alternate, interior alternate angle, corresponding angles, co-interior, co-joint, allied angles, exterior angles. Alright. So exercise 25p. So just find out this, solve it. If you have any doubt, please ask. You know how to solve such types of questions. Find A and B. A is this plus this, since these are adjacent angles, this plus this equals to 180 degree. So 180 minus 140 gives you A. If this is A is equal to, whenever you will get answer for A, that will be equal to B. So this whatever comes here will be equal, B is equal to that. Why? Interior alternate angles. Okay, so like this you have to solve all types of questions using these things, properties. Okay, so I hope you will understand, and if you have any doubt, please submit it. Thank you so much, and please start preparing and study. Thank you.